really need to pee.
Tom. Wait. Don't go there.
I'm so thirsty. This water is so good. Uh-oh, my tummy feels weird. Mom, I really need to go pee. Oh, there it is, my potty.
Stop. That's the pool float, not toilet.
Mom, a toilet. I found one.
The real bathroom is inside. Hurry, we're almost there.
Ah, that feels so much better. I feel so good now, Mom.
I'm glad you do, sweetheart.
Mom, look! They're playing basketball. Hey guys, can I play? I got it! I got it! Yes! I made it! I'm so thirsty again. Oh no, not again! Mom, I really need to pee. Right now! Where is it? I can't see any bathroom.
Tom, slow down.
Maybe I can do that too?
No, Tom. You are not a dog. You cannot do that here. We use bathrooms, remember?
Finally! Here I come!
Slow down. You may hurt yourself.
That was close. I made it, Mom!
Good job, Tom.
I'm tired now.
Hey, it's okay. We'll be home soon.
I'm so hungry. Oh no. My burger. 5-second rule. Mom, my tummy feels funny. I don't think that burger was a good idea.
Oh my goodness, Tom.
What is that smell?
Mom, I really need to poop. That made it worse. I can't hold it much longer. I have my little potty. I need to do it right here.
Tom, absolutely not. Everyone is looking. We're getting off now.
can't go in there. It's too stinky.
Wait. I have something. Just a little spray.
Hey, that smells better. Come on, Tummy, don't fail me now. Oh, that was so close. I feel so much better, Mom. Today was crazy. Sorry I didn't listen to you. Next time, I promise I won't drink too much. Can I still have a burger later?
Sure. How's your tummy now?
It's okay now. No more emergencies.
Home sweet home.
Today was a big adventure. Too many bathroom breaks.
Next time, you just drink a little of water.
I will, Mom.
And remember to go to the toilet before going to sleep.
Our bathroom smells way better. Thanks for your advice, Mom. Good night.
Good night, Tom.